Hello traders, out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, and the market's looking pretty iffy out there. This is Hump Day, Wednesday, September 26, 2018, and the market's in the day mostly bearish, guys. NASDAQ up slightly. However, financials down 1.2%, the same for small caps, guys. Bad trouble brewing out there. And we've been talking about it, and now it's coming to fruition. Crude oil down 1%, silver down almost a full percent, gold down 0.5%, VIX. So the VIX fear indicator up nearly 4%. We're at 12.9. Bitcoin is right around $6,500, and GBTC is right at around $8. Okay, taking a look here at the Spider daily chart. We have a rising wedge. The rising wedge, the big rising wedge, went into a sharper rising wedge, a more pronounced rising wedge, bearish divergence, and we broke down on the 24th. So the 24th, we broke that support line. If we go to a line chart, you can see we broke it right there. It's down below that. And Tuesday, we dropped. Wednesday, we dropped more, close and below the 20-day moving average. Last time we were below that puts us back in August 15th. And so the rising wedge breakdown, guys, this is the best chances it's had in a long time for the markets to give some back. And that's precisely what we're looking at. Diamonds up, broke all this resistance area, or diamonds, this is the diamonds, the Dow diamonds, Dow 30. We dropped down, but this trend line, we broke below it, so that's trouble city. No good at all, guys. NASDAQ, have a buy on it, up, but look at this. Look how we tried to go up here, and we failed. It is going to get a sell call. And for you guys don't know anything about these, I put buying sell calls here for everybody to see. I used to not show them. I showed you a clean, sanitized chart with no arrows, but now you get to see behind the curtains and use them to however you'd like to see fit. However, I do not give financial advice. I am an educator only, so do not buy or sell based off of what I tell you. A licensed broker should do that. However, it's so hard for me to say that. Brokers make you broker. They are not trained to trade money. It just kills me, but legally I have to do so. Here's the deal. We had a breakdown on Russell's 2000. Look at today. Just a big drop. We're below the 50-day moving average. Guys, the markets are in big time trouble. Financials, big drop below the 200-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, the 20-day moving average. We are below all major moving averages. Big drop on financials. That is no good for the broad markets. US dollar, I got a buy on it. It's moving sideways. I'll stay with the buy, but there's a pretty good chance Feds are increasing interest rates in December. I came out today. Look, I'm underwater on this one, so I put a sell on USO. We pop up and we're bouncing around. I'll just stick with that. Silver got a buy on it. Oh, do I want to stay with that buy? It dropped. I'm going to say a sell on silver now. Gold, I have a sell on it already. I'll stay with that. VIX, I put a buy on VIX at that support, and it's going higher. We're above the 50-day moving average on VIX, still below the 20-day moving average on the fear, but it's going in the bearish direction. A Bitcoin, got a sell on it going down. Oh, do I want to add a buy to it right now? Do I want to add a buy to this dude? That's interesting. That is very interesting. I'm going to stay with my sell for the time being. GBTC, got a sell on. I'll stay with that too. And let's look at some stocks of interest. Oh, before we get into all the stocks, we have updated a number of things. Here's what we updated. The how to build wealth is completely brand new. Definitely go in and join us for one of our webinars, okay? how to build wealth, you want to be part of that one. The how to win at day trading, guys, the popularity of that one is off the charts. And how to pick great trades. You have a hard time finding trades, watch that one. But definitely do that. The other thing that had a major overhaul has been the quiz. 5 questions to hone in to find out if you can be a savvy trader. Do you have what it takes? You don't have to put in any personal information, just 5 questions. You answer those 5 questions honestly, it will give you a gauge on what type of trader that you have a potential of being. This is 21 years of trading experience and 11 years being in the business of educating traders, all wrapped up into 5 questions. Think you'll find it interesting. Let's go to the Dow 30. Dow 30. Good night. Gotta move all my things around. You don't see what I'm doing here. Dow 30. Let's go there. Apple is off almost a full percent. Apple, so we have a bullish pennant. So up, big bullish pennant. But see how we keep going back and forth, up, down, up, down, up, down. Man, I almost want to put a sell on that. But because we're in a bull pennant, oh boy, I am going to put a sell on that. I'm going to put a sell on it. But every time I put a buy, every time I put a sell, anytime you're sideways, buy and sells are always going to lose you a little bit of money. Okay. What we're looking for is when it goes into a trend there. So one of these up and downs here will start one of those trends, either up or down. Has a better chance of going higher, but nonetheless, I'm going to put a sell in there just based off of a lot of other things I'm seeing. AXP, look at today's drop, down 1.7%. Big drop. Nasty sauce there. Look at this. Down, we closed below the 20-day moving average. Boeing got a sell on it. Nice bull pullback. This could be a buy soon. Caterpillar got a nice bull pullback. That could be a buy soon. Cisco gets a sell. So we bought it at 46 something, and we're going to sell it at 48 something. A couple points on that. Chevron, ooh, get the big fat red one right there. So it's a sell. Almost wanted to do it yesterday with the spinning top. Got a buy. Oh, I had this one blew up on me. Had a sell on it, turn around, had to put a buy on it, and it's going up. It could be a little toppy. Dow DuPont, got a sell on it. We're at major support though. Expect a bounce. If so, I'll get in that. GE up 1%. Oh, are you kidding me? GE, I do not want to put a buy on you, but do I want to put a buy on this? I want to put a buy on it. I think it's going to pop higher. I'm going to wait for confirmation. Goldman Sachs got a sell on it. Look at that. Down below all major moving averages, guys. Goldman Sachs in a lot of trouble. Financials just down. Home Depot got a sell on it. This is a bull flag, guys. Be looking for that to go higher. IBM, holy smokes, I had a sell on it, but look at this huge pop today, up nearly 2% on volume. But they sold into that strength. I think it's going to drop again, guys. As much as I want to put a buy on that, I can't do it. I think it's going to drop. Intel, we're going down. I'll stay with that. Johnson & Johnson got a sell on it. Closed below the 20-day moving average. JP Morgan got a sell on it. Closed right at the rising 50-day. That could rally back. Coca-Cola got a sell on it. This could be ready to go higher too. It's caught up in moving averages. MACD got a buy on it. And that looks like it's going to drop. Looks like it's going to drop. I'll wait for confirmation before I do that. Triple M, got a drop on it. I'll stay with that. Here we have Merck. It broke the triangle. Guys, bad, whoops. That did not need to go there. Bad signs right now. Watch for Merck to go lower. Microsoft, I got a sell, and I'll stay with my sell. Looks a little toppy. Nike down 1.3%. Look at this big drop. Found support at, and I'm going to buy that. So now we have a buy at support, but it's a rising wedge. A rising, nasty looking wedge. And we'll just see what happens here. And PFE, got a sell on it, and it is starting to drop. PG, I got to sell at the doji, and I'll be good. Man, that could be a buy though soon. Travelers down 1.4%. Look at this nasty little drop here. Bam! Close below the 50-day moving average. UNH. Got to sell on it. It is drifting lower. UTX. That could be a buy. That could be a buy, guys. I'm just have to wait. There's too much. It's hard for me to put buy right now, but that's a great buy opportunity. So here we got Visa. Got to sell on it. I'll stay with that. Verizon. I got to sell on it. I'll stay with that. Walgreens. Got to sell on it. Oh, do I need to change that to a buy? I'm going to change it to a buy, guys. That gets changed to a buy. Walmart. I got to sell on it. Close right at support. Right at it. But it's a big bullish pennant that could get bullish and quickly. Exxon, got to sell on it. I put that one on already. So Exxon has a sell on that one. So bad news for those guys. Let's look at tech stocks. A lot of movement there. Tech stocks. We already looked at Apple. Let's go to AMD. Do I have a sell on this one yet? No. Boy, do I want to add a sell. I think I'm going to take profits on this. So we're in at 25, 30. We're going to get out at 32. We made some profits on this one. Let's take profits. I'm just not too happy with what I'm seeing on the VIX, what I'm seeing overall in the markets. Amazon, got a buy on it. Ooh, that could be a sell soon. Bye-bye. Have a buy on it. Oh, and it broke resistance, but it petered around. Let's see if it can keep going up. Baidu, I have a sell. It popped up. Okay, I'm going to stay with my sell on that one. Booking, which is Priceline, got a sell on it. It did go higher, though. I'm going to stay with that. I'm underwater on that one. Cisco, I got a sell on it as of today. Catfish, I got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy right now. eBay. Look at eBay. I had a sell on it, and that happened. It's going to get a buy. Big green one. Big green one on eBay. Facebook was up over 1%. Had a buy on it, and boom, it's going higher. I'm good with that. I've got a buy on, oh, but that looks like it's going to come down on Google. Google with the L, same thing. This looks like it's going to drop right into my buy. No good. GoPro was up 4.5% today. Look how it gapped right at our trend line. It touched it. Went up, came back down. I have a buy on it. Do I want to sell it now? Let's take our profits since I'm going to take the profits right now. Let's take our profits. So we're in at $6.40, out at 6. So we made 50 cents on that one. Okay. Microsoft, got to sell on it, stay with that. MU, Micron, got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy. Netflix, up 2.3%. Got a buy on it. It's going higher. That's pretty good. Nvidia, got a buy on it. Oh, boy, do I want to stay with this? I'll stay with it. Oracle, got a buy on it. I had to turn around. I put a sell on that, and then turn around and popped on me, so I had to put a buy. But I'm getting ready to put a sell on it again. Let's put a sell on this again. So made a few cents on it, not much. PayPal, I got a buy on it. I'm underwater on PayPal. Do I want to sell this? Do I want to sell PayPal? Oh, I mean, we're right at support. I'm going to stay with it, but if it breaks out, I'm going to have to sell it. Red Hat, got to sell on it. It's going up, but this is another short opportunity for them. Shopify, got to sell on it, but that could go bullish. Snap, I got to buy on it, and it's doing nothing. Oh, I'm going to put a sell on this one. So I took a loss on this one. I'm just not liking it. Twitter. Big falling wedge, but we have a bullish divergence, and well, we're not seeing it right now, but have a bullish divergence here. And I think it's going to go higher. If the markets get bullish, I think it's going to go higher. So before I go into monologue, do this right now. Go to groktrade.com. You can also, in the description, click the link. But do this one thing. Go here, take the building wealth. Take the day trading. Just take the webinars. Get in there and do that. Do that. So monologue time. I don't know if you guys have done it, but the DNA stuff. There's my dog. We have dogs walking outside, and my dog's barking. We have a cockapoo. The cockapoo was a rescue and was highly not a tamed, obedient dog. So we've been working with the dog, and his name's Walter. And he does just fine. He's doing so much better than what he was. Anyway, DNA. So I can't even talk with my dog. I can't even talk. So DNA, Ancestry.com, 23andMe. And I did the DNA test. It's amazing some of the things I found out. So on my maternal side, I found out that I am a descendant of King Louis XVI. He was the last king in France before the French Revolution. Really cool to find that out. Maternal side, all come from the New Orleans area in France. Went to Nova Scotia, Canada and stuff, and now down in Louisiana, New Orleans. The New Orleans. So take care. Have a good one. Like it if you like it. Subscribe. We'll catch up with you guys later. See you on this weekend edition video.